Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove background from the image that you created in Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. There are so many ways to remove background from an image. You can use your Photoshop and many other designing applications, but I'm going to tell you the easiest way here. You just simply have to open this application called Photo Room, or you can also use the site in the browser. Just open that and then you just simply have to click into this Start from Photo option and just simply choose the image that you have created in Midjourney, and then it will scan the image and remove the background directly, and it will give this watermark into your image. Now, in order to remove the watermark, you will have to get the premium version of this application. This way you can easily remove background from the pictures that you created in Midjourney. And now you can export it from here. By following this very easy method, you can easily remove the background from that images which you have downloaded from Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.